Hi children, good morning. So today I am going to prepare coconut bread dessert. So we will see how to prepare it.
We need these ingredients to prepare coconut bread dessert: milk powder, almonds, almond powder, sugar powder, coconut powder, and food color, 4 tablespoons of milk, and milk bread. Now take a slice of bread on the plate. Children, take a sharp edged bowl to get a round shape and cut into round pieces. Repeat the same for remaining all the slices. Take a bowl, add 3 spoons of milk powder, and 2 spoons of sugar powder, add 2 spoons of almond powder, and mix it well. Now add milk and mix it well. Mix all the ingredients into thick paste. Apply the thick paste on the one side of the bread. And cover it with another bread slice. And repeat the same for all other bread slices. Now take a bowl and add 1 small glass of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar powder and food color and mix it well. And now take a plate and spread the coconut powder on the plate. Now take a bread slice and dip into the water and press it gently. and cover it with coconut powder and repeat the same for other bread slices also. And next, you should cut the almonds into the small pieces and garnish it with almond pieces. And take a almond and place it on the bread slice. Children, now keep this coconut bread dessert in the fridge for 20 minutes. Then you can have it. Children, finally, bread coconut dessert is ready. So, I hope you also will prepare at home. So, thank you, children. Have a nice day.